Hello viewers, welcome to Amicable Oral English class lesson 6. In lesson 3, we learned consonant sounds, and in today's lesson, we are going to learn the features of consonant sounds. When we talk of features of consonant sounds, we are going to see them from three different angles. First of all, the manner of articulation, the places of articulation, and the phonation. But for the purpose of today's lesson, we are going to start with the manner of articulation as underlined on the board. When we talk of manner of articulation, the word manner simply answers the question how. So this manner of articulation answers the question how these phonetic sounds, and consonant sounds precisely or specifically, how they are produced or pronounced. And first among them, we are going to discuss the plosives. But before then, it is also imperative for you to know that when we talk of consonant sound in general, we are simply referring to these phonetic symbols, which when pronounced or produced, there is a complete or partial closure of the air from the airstream, which is referred to as constriction of the air in linguistics. Constriction of the air. So that is to say, in producing or pronouncing consonant sounds, there is a constriction or partial closure of the air from the airstream. And like I said earlier, the first among them are the plosives. Why are they called plosives? And what are plosives? Plosives are these phonetic sounds which, when pronounced, there is a partial retention of the air followed by a sudden release, which results to an explosion of the air from the mouth. This is why they are grouped together and called plosives. Let me take it again. They are called plosives simply because there is an initial or partial retention of the air. As the air is transiting from the lung to the mouth, when it gets to the lip, there is a partial retention of the air before suddenly releasing it. Then that sudden release of the air results to an explosion, and this is why they are categorized together as plosives. Number one among them is the p sounds, as we've learned them as consonant sounds earlier. So now we're going to learn it again as plosive, the p sound. Look at my lip. This is exactly what I'm talking about. First of all, we position our lip this way or like this. This is the partial retention of the air, then suddenly released as p, p. So this is exactly what explains plosives. P. So this is what makes the sound p a plosive consonant, because there's a partial retention of the air followed by the sudden release. P. Number two is b, the b sound. B, b. And number three is the t sound. T, t. Number four is the d sound. D, d. And number five is the k sound. K, k. And number six is the g, g sound. G sound. Let's take them in examples in words and see how we can find these sounds in words. For p, we can have it in words like pipe, P-I-P-E, pipe, pipe. But we can have it in words like bet, bet. B-E-T, B-E-T, bet. T, t, t. You can have it in words like time, time. T-I-M-E, time, T-I-M-E, time. D, d. You can have it in word like dates, dates, D-A-T-E, date, date. Words like cake, cake, and g, words like game, game, G-A-M-E, game, pipe, bet, time, date, cake, and game. We've learned the consonants and the vowel sounds. Now, let's try transcribing these words in order to test our comprehension of the vowels and consonant sounds so far. Follow me. How do you transcribe the word pipe? First of all, transcription. Remember, the objective of this tutorial is to inculcate the ability of reading or writing transcription of the English dictionary. That's transcription of the English words. This is the objective. This is the sole objective of these lessons. So, the secret is when transcribing a word, all you need to do is to observe the sound you hear, not the letter you see. Let me say it again. Is to observe the sound you hear, not the letter you see. So in pronouncing pipe, the first sound we observe is the p sound. The p sound, p, then pie, right? Pie, the transition as it goes, p, then I. I, do you remember the diphthong? Diphthong number 3, the I sound. I, plus E gives us I, then P plus I gives us pie. Then we still need one more sound to make it complete, which is the P sound. And when we add it here, we close the slanted line, then it gives us pipe, pipe. How do you find the transcription? Very easy, right? Bet, bet. The first sound we observe is the B sound. B, then plus the E sound, E sound. E. Then we have be, right? B, E, have be plus T. Have bet, which is exactly similar with the spelling. Bet, bet. In transcribing the word time, the first sound we observe is the T sound. T sound. T, then plus the diphthong I, which gives us tie. Right? We still need one more sound to make it complete, which is the M sound. And when we add it here, we close the slanted line, we have time. Dates. The first sound we observe is the D sound. D plus the A sound. A, the diphthong number 1. A plus E gives us A. And here we have day. When we stop here, we have the word day, D-A-Y. D-A-Y, day. But we are not looking for the word day, but day. So we need T sound to make it complete. Dates. Cake. This is another proof of the irony of transcription that is in comparison with the English alphabets. This is letter C, but the first sound we observe is not S, but K. So letter C represented by the sound K. So the first sound here is K, then followed by the diphthong A. We have K, K, and plus K, have cake, cake, G. The first sound we observe here is G, followed by the A sound. We have gay, gay. This one too, when we stop here, we have the word gay, G-A-Y, gay. But we are looking for the word game, so we add sound. We have game. So these are plosives, which are 6 in number, and they have the same manner of articulation, meaning they're pronounced or produced with the same manner or the same approach. And this is why they are grouped and categorized together as plosives. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't also forget to share to your learned colleagues, family and friends. Follow me in the subsequent videos for more exciting and educative lessons on pronunciation practice. I'm saying ta-ta for now. Have a nice day.